Hello everyone, my name is Halbert Diandra Lim from 7G, and now I will show you how to make a fried tempeh. Now I will show you the tool we need to make a fried tempeh. First we need a plate, we need a spatula, and we need a pan, we need a bowl, we need a spoon, we need a cutting board, we need a knife. And the ingredients is tempeh, a flour, oil, and some water. Okay, first we need to cut the tempeh to some slice. Okay, now we put some flour to the bowl. Okay, now add some water to the flour. Mix it. Now we have to put the oil into the pan. First, turn on the fire. Take the oil. Add the oil. Don't forget to wash your hands. Wait until the oil is hot. You can mix the temperature. Because the bowl is full, for now I will just make this. If the oil already hot, you can start to put the tempeh. Cook it. And forget to sweat it. If done, you can start putting in the plate. When the tempeh is done, you can try to eat it. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.